many are out there?
2 that I see.
Get it, Luna.
Oh, see? The other one's sitting by the pavilion.
Oh, he's eating it.
Yep.
His ass is right there.
Yep.
I pay good money for that seed. For crying out loud. I suppose if I spook him, he'll run it right over, won't he? Yes, we're talking to you.
Oh my God.
Oh, why? Because that sounded like someone
Gunshot?
cocking a gun. I bet. She's still sitting out there.
Well, at least Darla wasn't growling, so you know that he's not.
Yeah.
He was just watching them. Cherry tree?
Yep. Right there.
Yep. I don't think he can get the other one. But yeah, where's... Oh, here's...
Oh, he's back eating again.
There's 2 there. Hey, there's 2 over here.
Yep.
1 there.
Oh, that's the one with the busted leg. Look at it hop.
Yep. There they all go.
Good.